Hey there, truck lovers. If you're proud of your pickup and love upgrading it with the coolest gear, then you're in for a treat. Because today, I'm showing you 20 amazing pickup truck gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. Gadgets that'll make your truck smarter, safer, more comfortable, and just way more fun to drive. And don't worry about remembering everything. I've got all the links down below in the description, so you can easily check them out later. All right, let's dive in.
You know how important it is to have eyes on the road at all times, especially during long drives or late nights? That's where the Red Tiger dash cam with night vision comes in. This little camera records super clear video even in the dark, and it's a total lifesaver if something unexpected happens on the road. Whether it's capturing a scenic drive or providing proof in case of an accident, it's one of those gadgets that just gives you peace of mind every time you start your engine. And speaking of peace of mind, let's talk about organization. There's this really smart storage box called the UnderCover SwingCase. It sits inside your truck bed and literally swings out towards you whenever you need it. You can grab your tools, jumper cables, or whatever you need without climbing in or stretching out. Then it locks back in place, safe and snug. It's simple, but man, it makes a huge difference. Now, if you're tired of jumping in and out of your truck bed like it's a gym workout, you'll love this next one, the BedStep Retractable Step. Just tap it down with your foot and it drops out so you can step right up. When you're done, it folds right back up under the bumper. It's built tough, super stable, and honestly one of those small upgrades that you end up using every single day. All right, now let's light things up, literally. The Nilight 42-inch LED light bar is an absolute beast. If you drive off-road, go camping, or just love the look of bright, clean lighting, this thing turns night into day. It's insanely bright, durable, and waterproof, perfect for anyone who likes adventure after sunset. It doesn't just help you see better, it makes your truck look mean and ready for anything. Now, imagine this. You're loading up lumber, kayaks, or long gear, and it just doesn't fit. That's where a truck bed extender with a U-shaped design saves the day. It attaches to your tailgate and gives you that extra support so your long stuff stays safe and stable. No more worrying about things hanging halfway out. It's perfect for road trips, work runs, or weekend projects. And to keep everything locked down tight, there's a simple but super useful gadget, the Truck Bed Cargo Net. It's stretchy, tough, and keeps all your gear from sliding around. Whether it's groceries, coolers, or camping gear, everything stays exactly where you put it. Now, for all you gadget fans who love control and customization, the Auxbeam switch panel is just cool. You can manage all your extra lights and accessories, fog lights, LED bars, compressors, all from one sleek little touchscreen panel. It keeps everything organized and adds a high-tech look to your dashboard. It's clean, functional, and makes you feel like your truck's cockpit just leveled up. Speaking of control, let's talk about tie-downs. If you've ever fought with tangled ratchet straps, you'll know how annoying they can be. That's why these retractable ratchet tie-down straps are genius. You just pull them out, lock them, and when you're done, they retract back automatically. No mess, no hassle, and they're tough enough for serious loads. Now, for anyone who cares about security and style, a retractable hard tonneau cover is a total must-have. It keeps your gear safe from the weather and hidden from sight. It also gives your truck bed a super clean, finished look. Whether you're hauling tools or luggage, everything underneath stays dry and protected. And here's one for the adventurers, a truck bed tent. Yeah, you heard that right. This thing sets up right in your bed and fits 2 or 3 people comfortably. It's waterproof, easy to assemble, and turns your truck into a cozy camper in minutes. Perfect for road trips, tailgating, or just chilling under the stars. Now, inside the cab, there's one gadget I can't recommend enough, a wireless phone mount with MagSafe. It's super sturdy, keeps your phone in place, and charges it wirelessly while you drive. You just snap your phone on and go. No cables, no fiddling, just clean and easy. Want to add some personality? Check out LED underbody rock lights. These add colorful underglow lighting to your truck, and trust me, it looks awesome at night. Whether you're off-roading or cruising around town, they make your ride stand out in the best way possible. Now, if you want a futuristic upgrade that's actually useful, try a heads-up display, or HUD. It projects your speed and driving info directly onto your windscreen. You don't even have to look down. It's sleek, it's smart, and it feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. And speaking of being prepared, every truck should carry a jump starter with an air compressor. This gadget can jumpstart your truck, inflate your tires, and even charge your phone. It's small, powerful, and can literally save you in an emergency. Whether you're stuck in the middle of nowhere or just have a low tire on your way to work, you'll be glad you have this in your toolbox. Another upgrade that's hard to live without once you try it is a backup camera system. Parking or reversing a truck can be tricky, especially with a trailer. This gives you a clear view of everything behind you, so backing up is smoother, safer, and a lot less stressful. And since we're talking about tools, you can't go wrong with a solid truck toolbox, the crossover style one. It's rugged, lockable, and keeps your gear safe from weather and theft. It fits perfectly across your bed and adds that professional, ready-for-anything look. Want to make your truck stand out even more? Add a tailgate LED light bar. It syncs with your turn signals, brake lights, and reverse lights, making your truck look modern and keeping you extra visible on the road. It's a mix of safety and style that's hard to beat. Now, if you often haul big items, a hitch-mounted bed extender is another must-have. It attaches to your hitch and extends your bed for longer loads, great for hauling boards, ladders, kayaks, or anything oversized. It's adjustable, sturdy, and saves you from strapping things at weird angles. Inside your cab again, one gadget that makes long drives a lot more enjoyable is the seat organizer with a cooling fan. It keeps your drinks chilled, your gadgets neatly stored, and your back seat clutter-free. It's practical, but also adds that touch of comfort that makes a difference on road trips. And finally, something every truck owner should have, a tire pressure monitoring system. It gives you real-time updates on your tire pressure so you can drive safely and save on fuel. It's one of those things that might seem small, but it can prevent big problems before they start. And there you have it, 20 awesome pickup truck gadgets that'll make your truck smarter, more stylish, and way more fun to drive. Whether you're into off-roading, camping, or just want to make everyday driving easier, there's something here for everyone.